Hello everyone. It is Jackie from Pocket of Preschool. I just wanted to take a minute and show you the Farm Math and Literacy Center in action yet. So the new Farm Centers have labels, labels for bins or binders, and then each activity has a teacher page with a real photo of the activity in action. So that is in there. And now it has 2 fine motor, 1 writing center, 6 literacy, and 8 math. So let me show you all of those. Here are the 2 fine motor. So this one is a cutting activity where they're going to cut triangles and cut on lines to make this carrot garden. The other fine motor activity is this geoboard activity. And I just use loom bands, and they're going to make all of the different farm things, and then they can trace the word with the dry erase marker. For the writing center, it always has 3 kinds of paper. So we have the half sheet, the full sheet, and then we have 2 options with lines. And then it always has uppercase and lowercase words. And for a farm theme, grab some brown Play-Doh for mud, and they can use letter stamps or write with a pencil on the Play-Doh to create the words. Another fun writing center is farm animal research. And it looks harder than it is, because I promise you, 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds, pre-K, and kinder can totally do this. They're either going to draw a picture of what the animal eats, some fun facts, and what it needs. So super simple stuff. Or if you're in kinder, they're kind of more of a recording or report page. And you can use any nonfiction farm animal books you have. We also have these farm animal beginning sound puzzles. I only have some of them in there because too many, the whole alphabet would be overwhelming. You can put them in a sensory bin or a pocket chart, or just play on the floor or on a table. This is the farm syllable game. So they're gonna count the syllables and the words and put them in the correct barn. Has a worksheet, and then it also has little headers if you want to put it in a pocket chart or do it at circle time. For the read, build, write, there are 2 options. You have these really cute cow and pig letters. They're going to read it, build it, and write it. They can do just uppercase, just lowercase, uppercase, and lowercase. There's the recording page. Or you can take it one step further, and they can do sight words if you would like. Here's a letter dot it, chicken coop style. So I just put the magnet letters in a egg carton, and then they're going to dot the letter, uppercase and lowercase. Or here's the color version, and they can cover the letters with eggs, which are just white pom-poms. And then for the farm rhymes, this one was in it originally, but I changed it a little bit. So they are now making these little farm tractor puzzles. So they're animals driving the tractor, and they have to find the matching rhyme. So pig, dig, goat, boat. And the rhymes have a little bit of, some of them are a little bit different, so it's a little self-checking with the worksheet. All right, there are the 6 literacy. Let me show you all of the math. So my kids love race games. Oh, let me fix this guy. Sorry. So we have tractor race, and you can either put it on colored paper. What they do is they roll the dice and put that many on. Then they roll the dice again and put that many on, and they play until they get to the final number. Again, there's 150, 20, or you can do dots, dotted markers with it as well. Or they can just color it in too. And then we have some number puzzles, 1 to 20 with matching worksheets. This is the feed and count game. So they are gonna pick a number, and all of these little horses, and they're all different, you guys. How cute are those? And they're gonna put that many animals in the pin, and then they put that many pieces of feed in the bin. So this is just cut up pipe cleaners. You can use little farm animals or farm animal counters if you have them, or mini erasers, and then the worksheets to go with them. And then this one is either number trace or missing number. So the number trace is carrots for pigs, and it goes up to 20. And then the missing number is either corn stalks or chicks. And they're just going to fill in that missing number. And then there's worksheets to go with it up to 10 or up to 20. You pick. And then this is the farm count cover up. So we just have basic cover up. So they're going to roll the dice and cover up that number. And I just use these little Unifix cubes because they kind of look like hay bales. -1, so they roll the number, subtract 1, cover that number. +1, roll the dice. add 1, and they cover that number. And then this one's just addition, so they'll roll both dice and add it and cover the total, and then the worksheets to go with it. And then we have growing a shape garden. So we have a flower garden and we have some vegetable garden options. And then all of the gardens also come with blank, like I guess, pages so that students can also draw the shapes in the garden. And then this one has a blank option as well. And then the worksheets are included and shape cards. These are just magnetic bingo chips, which are really fun to use as cover-up cards. And then we have some farm pattern block mats with the farm theme, and then color and black and white are included. And then we have farm maps. So I have some example maps, and you guys, these are super simple maps. So that way they can, you can talk about what a map is, what things are on a farm. And then I have this poster to go with it, so you can talk about all the different things that can be on a farm. They don't have to be. And then there's a couple different ways you can make your maps. So I have the blank map pages, and then they can cut these out and make their map with those, and the color option as well. Or here's one, some that my kiddos did. So they just used the places on a farm, and then they drew their own maps on colored papers, plain paper, and wrote the beginning sound of all the places. Those are 2 pre-K friends. Okay, so again, these are the farm, math, and literacy centers. If you want to grab them, the link is at the top. And if you already own them and you haven't grabbed the update yet, just download it again for your update. I hope you guys have an awesome day.